Hey everybody, Prepper Nurse 1 here. Today is Tuesday, December 25th, 2018. It is Christmas, so first of all I'd like to wish everybody a very Merry Christmas. I hope you're getting to spend it with people that you care about and stuff like that, so that hopefully it's going well for you all. I just wanted to, like I said, I just wanted to do a quick video today and do a little tea chat, wish everybody a Merry Christmas. So I had, I got to show you guys this one here. My niece gave me this. Best cat dad ever. And it's got the cat flipping everybody off. It's pretty funny. So she got that for me yesterday. I went to my sister's yesterday for Christmas Eve. And so spent the day, or evening, with family there. The kids are at their mom's for Christmas. I get them back tomorrow. And so today is just a very low-key, kind of chill day. We definitely had a white Christmas here at the homestead. We had more snow overnight. Ended up cleaning the panels off yesterday. And like right after I cleaned the panels off, it snowed again. So I cleaned the panels off again. And then we got more snow overnight. So I ended up cleaning the panels off again this morning. So it's just been, you know, it's that time of year. What are you going to do? But, so anyway, just kind of, like I said, just doing a low-key day today. Let's see what's going on with this fire real quick. Just added a couple more pieces in here, so it is taking its time. There we go. That should help it a little bit. So anyway, got to clean that glass too. I could show you guys real quick if you want to see how that's done. It's really easy actually. If you want to clean the glass on your wood stove, you can use, now you guys are going to get to see me with no shirt on because it's warm in here. So you can take a newspaper, I'm just using a piece of magazine, okay, so you see that like that. You open that up, you take that magazine or you take that newspaper. And we'll throw that in there. And look at that, much better. Just a quick little tip for you guys, but it cleans that glass on the newspaper, or the newspaper cleans that glass, and it does a freaking great job, and you don't have to really use anything else. So now you saw me in my loungies. If it's a chill day, which today is absolutely a chill day, I have my loungies on and my slippers, and of course no shirt, because well, that's how I roll. But anyway, so just like I said, I hope everybody's doing well. We need to all just kind of reflect on the year, all the different things that have happened this year. Continue to pay attention to what's going on. The Asian markets were open today and they are plummeting in fear of what's going on with the American stock market. So that is obviously something to obviously keep an eye on. So it's definitely interesting. Now, is the stock market crash being done on purpose? Who knows? You know, there's always manipulation no matter what, with different things that are going on, and but it's definitely something to keep an eye on. But anyway, again, I hope you guys are all doing well. Enjoy today. Like I said, as long as you're spending with people that you care about, it doesn't necessarily have to be family. There's a lot of people out there that I consider family that are not blood relatives. But you know, it's good to spend time with people that you care about, and we did ours last night. So, you know, we did Christmas Eve, which was nice, and today's a good day to just kind of relax and stay home and just kind of have a low-key day. So anyway, again guys, I just want to do, like I said, a quick video today and basically just wish you all a very Merry Christmas. Thank you for all the Christmas wishes, and I hope everybody's doing great, and we'll get back on track with stuff tomorrow, okay? I will talk to you all later. Have a great day. Prepper Nurse 1. Oh yeah, I should probably do my ending right. Remember guys, we're all in this together. Remember, hug and kiss the ones you love. Tell them every single day, tomorrow is not guaranteed. We never know what's going to happen, so that is really, truly important to tell the people that we care about how we feel. And remember, guys, remember STD. It's one step at a time, one thing at a time, and one day at a time. Whatever you're trying to do, whatever you're trying to accomplish, you can do it. The only one that's going to stop you from getting there is yourself. Nobody else can do that, okay? So I hope you all have a great day. I will talk to you later. Prepper Nurse 1, out for now.